Welcome to our exam hints on writing balanced symbol equations. So what we're going to do is have a look at the foundation tier question here first of all. So what we've actually got is, in our actual introduction to the question here, we can see that Amir is baking a cake. He adds baking powder to the cake mixture. Baking powder contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the next bit's got all the important formulas that we then need to use in our balanced symbol equation. So sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is NaHCO3. We've got the sodium carbonate, which is Na2CO3, carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. So we've got all the formulas we need given to us in the question first of all. So what we're going to do is we have a read of what it actually says. So we've got sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, breaks down when heated in an oven. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our sodium hydrogen carbonate formula. Then we've got sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O are made. So you put your arrow in, write down the formulas of all of the products. Now, once you've actually got that, that's worth 1 of the 2 marks for this question already, without you having to do any balancing at all. So, by writing down the formulas which are given to us in the question up here, we get half the marks on the paper. Next thing to do then is to actually see what we've got to do to balance it. And the big hint for you on the foundation paper is, if it's worth 2 marks here, you will have to do some balancing. If it's only worth 1 mark, just by writing this down, it will already be balanced. So, the way I always teach my groups to do this is we start off with a list of the different elements on each side. And then you just count up how many there are. So on the left hand side we've got 1 sodium, we've got 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, and the little 3 there just refers to the oxygen. So we've got 3 oxygens. If we do the same on the right hand side, we've got 2 sodiums, 1 carbon here, and a carbon in carbon dioxide. We've got the 3 oxygens there, plus 2 in the carbon dioxide, plus 1 in the water, so that gives us a total of 6. And then for our hydrogens, we've got 2 from the water. So immediately looking at it, we can see that we should have twice as many sodiums, hydrogens, carbons, and oxygens. So hopefully that's telling us if we need twice the amount, and there is only 1 chemical on the left hand side, put your 2 in front. That then gives us 2 sodium, 2 hydrogen, 2 carbon, and 6 oxygen. So remember, the only place we can actually write a number is in front. So the only place you could write it is in front here, 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 or here. Anything else changes the whole formula. So this one was nice and simple to do, and I hope that that makes the balancing a little bit clearer for you.